When's the last time we filmed a video?
I don't know.
It's been a minute.
I thought we quit.
No, I've just been lazy.
The lazy days of summer.
Right. Welcome back to Hathaway We Go. If this is your first time here, where the heck have you been? If it's, your 277th time, we appreciate that. Thank you very much. While I'm thinking of it, like and subscribe. We are here in the heat of summer, and here's in Arizona, and we're talking about last December when we were in Florida. That's why she thought we weren't doing these anymore. But do you remember why we went to Florida?
Of course not. What? I never remember anything.
Do you remember going to Florida?
Yeah, I do. We went to Florida for a Midwest Automotive Designs van rally.
We did.
And because we're idiots.
Okay. That's reasons 1 and 2. Reason 3 was to get our air conditioner replaced.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If it's your first time here, go watch the other videos. But you may know that the air conditioner in this van was so loud. Yeah, the Dometic.
It was awful.
We literally had to be on the same side of the air conditioner to talk to each other, because you couldn't.
And we couldn't sleep with it on.
Couldn't sleep.
It was too loud.
It was too loud. So we made the trip to Florida. Before we went to Florida, we reached out to Kim and Eric Hoops. What's their company name? RV
America something? American
Dream RV.
Something.
I'll put it right here. And said, hey, because Eric Hoops, from what I understand, and he'll tell me in the comments if he ever watches this if I'm wrong, I think he used to work on Midwest Automotive Designs, like part of the company. And now he still works on them, but on his own. Mm. And he's very highly recommended by other people and by us, as you'll see through this. So we reached out to him, said, hey, we need a new air conditioner. What can you do for us? He only sells the Houghton, and he said it's just because that's what he does. In his experience, that's the best one.
Because we thought it was all about Gree.
We did.
And then he could only get us this one. We're like, well, it's supposed to be. Oh, and remember we did all those decibel tests?
We did. I wonder if I have those somewhere.
I don't know. That was
Ours
cool.
Is so loud.
Like checking. Well, we checked of that, but then we remember sitting on the back patio, and you would run a little test to see just like the sound of the traffic going by and what that was, and that the air conditioner was even way quieter than that or whatever.
And the Houghton were going to be quieter than a car going by, quieter than this conversation.
Yeah.
So,
it's running right now.
Our Dometic was like sitting inside of a freight train.
Yeah.
So it was bad. So we made that whole trip with the Dometic air conditioner, and it wasn't too bad, all things considered, at night.
Well, it was freezing on the way there. We didn't need it except just that last night or two.
Yeah, when we got into Florida, basically.
Yeah.
So we pulled into the campground, and the first thing we did was get the van washed, because somebody was coming around doing it for like $100, wash and wax. I'm like, yes, please. So Sadie got all prettied up, and then we started hunting for Eric Hoops, because we did not want to have to spend a Florida night with the Dometic air conditioner.
We could be first on the schedule.
So I let him know we were there. And then at about dinner time, he texted, called, messaged. He got a hold of me and said, bring your van over. We're ready.
He was there in the park.
He was there in the park and had his trailer full of air conditioners. We're not the only ones that were getting it done. There was a lot of other stuff he was doing too. He does battery upgrades, air conditioning. If it's in your Midwest coach, he takes care of that. So I took the van over. You went up with the dogs to get some food. That was paella night.
Oh, yeah.
The paella king of Miami was there.
How do you remember that?
And a dude singing. But you have to wait till the next one to see that.
Okay.
So I dropped the van off, started heading for food, and I'm like, hey, why don't I video this? People want to see. So I brought the video back. He had taken the cover off on the Dometic and just was showing all the silicone that they use around it. He says, people seal this stuff up with silicone. It doesn't do any good. It just gets brittle. So what comes with the air conditioner is enough.
It was bright to run caulk around here. And it doesn't do anything. See, it just a lot of
It just peels. Oh,
It
jeez.
squeezes out, and it just makes it hard to get them out.
So they unpacked the new one. It was very pretty there on the ground. It's so tiny. It's so flat. Cool. Slid it to the side. Then he climbed up his ladder, which is why we took it there, so I wouldn't have to climb up the ladder and do this.
Right.
And then he threw the Dometic air conditioner onto the new air conditioning box.
Yeah. Phone ring. Or you can do it when you come up.
The new air conditioner was not in the box any longer.
That is correct.
There was a box sitting on the ground, an empty box, and he threw it down. I'm asking. I wasn't there.
He did. He threw it onto that box.
Okay.
And then somebody in the park later came and said, "Hey, we want that air conditioner."
Yeah.
It worked until he threw it on the
Well,
ground.
I was going to say,
probably.
well, it worked before he threw it on the ground. We don't know if it worked.
But he
after
did
that.
throw it onto the cardboard box, so it's kind of like a stunt air conditioner. And then he said, "Hey, will you help me get the new air conditioner up?" I'm like, "Sure, what do I do?" Put my camera down. We got on both sides of the air conditioner, and he put it on his shoulder and climbed the ladder with that air conditioner on his shoulder.
Any idea how much it weighs?
I will find out, and we will put it here. But it's got to be 70 pounds. I mean, that was another reason we didn't want to do it here, is how am I going to get that much weight?
Yeah.
So he put that up, wired everything in, started it up. Immediately, I was impressed.
All right, so 4 bolts. Now, right here's the most important. You snap this down. This is intake. This is all exhaust, everything around it.
Oh, okay.
And that it's completely sealed from each other. That's why I like the Houghtons, because everything goes together, like snaps together.
Snap.
It's like everything was designed to go together.
As in, I was impressed immediately with how quiet it was. And we stood there. He went over the directions on the remote, which I have. So if anybody's wondering how that Houghton remote works, you might be. You can watch this video and see what all the buttons are.
The controller. Point the controller to the numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Power button turns it on and off. Fahrenheit, Celsius. It just changes the Fahrenheit, Celsius.
Sure.
Temperature up and down. Okay. I can push this button all day long. Okay. Until I stop for a second, it won't change.
And it clicks.
Okay. So, display. Sorry. Turns that display off at night.
Oh, nice.
So that gets bright at night. Hour, minutes, time timers. I tell people not to mess with. You can set timers and turn on, turn off, blah, blah, blah. But you're going to mess it up. It's going to turn off and on when you don't want it to. And I get more phone calls because of it.
All right.
Okay. Sleep mode, I'll tell you, is another fan speed. But I'll tell you, when you're in cool and heat, there's 4 fan speeds. There's auto, low, medium, high. Okay, so we're on auto right now. That's low. Come on. That's low.
That's stupid.
Medium,
That's
then
great.
high, and then auto. So, okay, closer it gets to ambient temperatures, the slower the fan's going to go. Once it gets to ambient temperature, the compressor going to kick off. If you have sleep mode on, which is a little moon and stars right here,
Okay.
if you have that on, it'll even go into a lower fan speed when the compressor kicks off. It's supposed to be for night. I tell people you can use it. There's a little button
quiet.
down here that's clear, shows a little feather. I don't know what that one does because no one's told me yet, but I think it's eco mode. I think that's what it is. So, lock and lock it out. But mode, you go from mode. That's AC. That's humidity. That'll cool and take the humidity out of the air. It won't cool as much as AC, but it'll cool. That's just fan. That's heat. That's auto, heat and cool. So whatever you have to set to.
Keep the temperature. Okay.
So now we're on AC right now. I got it set at 68. Now if I go to fan, it goes. This number changed to 69. That's the actual temperature in here.
Okay.
Right now. Cool. So if I go back to AC, it'll go back to 68, the set point, what we had it at. So if you turn it on fan, it'll tell you what the temperature is.
Gosh, that's nice.
So, you bring me food? Thank you.
I love you.
Wow. All in all, it took him, I think, about 35 minutes to swap out the air conditioner, and it would have taken me 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So glad we had that for the first night in Florida and for every other night in Florida, because it's just whisper quiet. It's running right now.
Yeah.
And that's the fan on high.
I mean, it's just white noise, basically, is what it is.
Yeah.
It's white noise.
It's super nice.
It's so nice at night. I will say the one thing at night is when the compressor clicks off.
You do hear the compressor.
Sometimes that will wake me up, but I'm a very light sleeper for the most part. So, because then there have been other nights when that didn't bother me.
That first night we did hear what we thought was dripping sound.
That's right.
Remember? And
something was dripping. Where there's water in there.
Yeah, and there was actually a bead of water on one of the screws. And so first thing in the morning, I'm like, there's something wrong with it, you know. First I was like, is there a soft start in this? And he's like, yeah, there's a soft start in it, because we heard it click on and off. Now I'm running it right now on a 15 amp circuit. So yeah, it has a soft start, because that would trip every time if you didn't.
I can feel that cool air blowing up.
As we have talked about, we just had our air conditioner replaced by Kim and Eric Hoops from American Dream RV. And already it has made such a difference. We were able to stand in the van, have an actual conversation with the air conditioning on, which is just nuts. Cannot recommend it enough. What air conditioner did we get?
Houghton 3400.
Houghton 3400. Whatever Dometic you have, I highly recommend getting this, because it is amazing. And I'm guessing 25-30 minutes for the install. I didn't time it, but we haven't missed the buffet yet, so let's they brought you food, but I'm gonna go get some food.
Absolutely.
Hey, thank you guys.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Love it. The water condensation drop on the screw, every time you open the van door in Florida, the inside turns to
And your glasses
mist.
fog up.
Yeah, it was very hot.
We're talking the first week of December
Yeah.
in the Keys. It was miserable. Do you remember what we decided that week?
We're never coming back to
That
Florida.
we don't ever need to go to Florida again.
At least not down
Not
in the
that far
southern
down.
part. Yeah.
No. Northern Florida was amazing. We loved that.
We did.
It was rainy and misty, cool. Yeah, we couldn't wait to get back to cold weather.
Right.
Something has happened to us. Our bodies made the switch when
They
we
did,
moved here to the
for
mountains, and we don't do heat, and we certainly don't do humidity. It's not humidity as much as
That's
dew
right.
point. We learned about the dew point down there, and because somebody down there told us, somebody from the rally said it's not the humidity, it's the dew point. So we looked it up. We'll have to look that up again and share that here, because that
We'll
was
do that.
was funny.
We'll look that up and watch next week. because we'll bring that out because we're going to talk about the humidity again next week. Because next week's video is about being at the Mad Rally.
Oh.
There in Marathon, Florida.
Yeah.
And how that went, and we got to go see an old friend from the trail.
She's not that old. She's younger than us.
And we made friends with some dolphins.
Did.
And a lizard. So check back if you're not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified when that video comes out.
That it?
That's it.
Wow.
So that's not.
You know how it's not, anyway. It's not funny if you have to explain it. And
I mean, you've already taught me, but I don't remember.
I probably don't remember.
Probably.
It was funny that there's one button he doesn't know what it is because nobody told him.
I heard it as soon as I said it. What was it he said? I don't remember. It's fine. This is fine. Everything's fine.
Hasn't happened. That's what he said.
We were crazy.
Yes.
In my belly.
We'll blur. There. That's not. I'm just kidding. So. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Yay! Gonna cut a lot of that out though.
And then this is going to be a video?
Well, this is going to be in with the air conditioning video.
Oh.
So
Gotcha.
there you go.
Okay.
Do we need to go take pictures of a kiln?
Let me check it.